Hello Transformers fans! Today I don't have an upgrade, but it is definitely Transformers related. Here we have the Flame Toys Furai model Starscream. Okay, so this was the item I said that I was kind of looking forward to. I actually got this at my local Barnes & Noble. And you see the image there of Starscream. It actually looks pretty kind of cool. So, figured, why not? You know, I like to build stuff and, you know, I mean, so I got a build video here. And look at that, it actually comes with some pretty nice looking stickers. So, got that. So just gonna grab all the parts out of here. So quite a bit of parts. But yeah, this is my Transformers related build project. No upgrades. I mean, I would have liked to have gotten this from Big Bad Toy Store, but every time I went on there, when I was looking for stuff, I was like looking for, you know, like a build model, you know, kind of like the Star Wars or R2-D2 or the X-Wing. But this is still cool because, you know, I get to build a cool figure. So, I mean, it's technically not just a model. So, I guess we'll try and get this started. Just get everything out of the packaging. And I'm just hoping that this is actually going to be better than the Voltron mini play model kit that I had gotten, which yes, it had the different color sprues, but it had the exact same number on each sprue, and there was multiple different colors. You know, like this. So there was, you know, probably like 3 or 4 different color, like grays, for instance. You know, just using this for an example. And you would have had, see, this shows D1 and D2. Theirs would have only said D and D. And then the other two in gray would have ended up saying D and D. And then all the basic same numbers, you know, like 1 through 10 or 1 through, you know, 6 or whatnot. So, that model actually took me quite a bit longer to put together than you think it would have. So hopefully this one will actually be a little bit more precise. Okay, so step 1. Let's see, F9 and part F3, which, okay, that's B. That's another B. Okay, so probably gonna be blue, maybe? No, that's A. Okay, so what am I looking for here? Okay, there's an F. Right here, I have an F. Okay, so F3, which is this one right here. Turn that around the other way. And then these ones look like they're going to be a little bit tricky to get into properly. Okay. So I guess I'm just going to have to get the piece cleaned up a little bit better. Mm. Sometimes even with side cutters, you know, it still leaves some of the flash molding on there. But, you know, whatever. It's my own personal little project, so it is okay with me. So far so good. Only have to look at one sprue here instead of like 3 different sprues. So that's definitely a plus. Let's see if I can get a little bit more off of that. Okay. Alright, there we go. And apparently we put this over the top of this like that. Here, maybe I should zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so that's the first 2 pieces right there. Okay. And then apparently we need parts F7. Where's F7? Okay, right here. Okay, F7. And off of D2. Okay, so off of D2, we need part 3. See, I like this. This is so much better than that mini play model right now. Getting a more specific piece here. Okay, so D1. There's D1. Okay, there's D1. Part 7. Which is this piece right here. Alright. Okie dokie. Alright, so... Alright. Take a little bit more off of that. Alright. Okay, so... This... Oh, wow, I can't actually quite tell. This goes like this. Well, let's see here. Okay, so probably better to use the upper piece rather than the lower piece for this. Okay, and I'm guessing this is a hinge right here. I'm guessing that goes in right there in that spot. Okay, and then we just push this together. Alright. Alright, yeah, that moves. Alright, there we go. Okay, and next thing we need is E parts. So, I mean, it looks kind of red in the picture, so, yep, okay. Red, so I need E7 and E8 for this one. Okay, which looks like this piece and this piece right here. Oops, I'm not even in view here. Okay, so E7 and E8. right here. Alright, just clean these up a little bit. Yeah, I guess that's as good. I'd have to take a scalpel to that. And that one's okay. Alright. Alright, so then these go this way. Yeah, okay, it looks like that goes like this. And then the other one would go like this right here. And in case I didn't mention, this is the body unit that we're assembling right now. So this is probably like his cockpit area and maybe like his shoulders or part of his chest. So, alright, well, that's the way it looks in the picture. Okay, so we need part E10 now, which is this one right here. Okay. Oh, luckily that didn't go too far. Alright, and get this cleaned up a little bit. Well, that would probably need a scalpel too. Because I don't even have really anything to... Well, maybe I can do it from here. Okay, yeah, that worked. Okay. And from C1, need part 5. And, hold on, let's see what... Okay, so blue is A. Okay, the orange one is D3. B, like right, blue. Okay, so the black one? No, medium gray. Medium gray. Okay, let's see this. Yeah, okay. So, okay, these are both C2. Oh, man, are you kidding me? Oh, okay. Alright, for some reason there's 2 C2s in there, and C1 is actually like a grayish color, or blackish kind of color. I don't know, it's almost kind of similar to like the dark gray, but it's like not completely black. So, part 5. Okay, and that will be this one right down here. Just making sure I don't cut it where I'm not supposed to be cutting it. So, alright. So, there we go. So, if this build video happens to be a little long, you'll definitely know why. So, this might end up being a 2-parter. Okay, so parts like this, and then we put this piece in here like this. Okay, so now we got to get the reverse parts out. So part 6 from this one. Okay, we got that one, and now we get oop. Luckily that one didn't go too far. Part 9. Okay. Okay, got that. Alright, so most of these edges on here you could probably clean up after the fact too if you really wanted to. Okay, there we go. And then, yeah, apparently I missed one here. Alright, get that down in there. I'm not sure how far these actually need to go down. So, okay, there we go for that. Okay, oh, and okay, now we actually get to put these in. Okay, so these just go right over these peg holes right here. Oh, no, okay, no, I'm putting those on in reverse order right there. Okay, so, whoop, no, jeez. Come on, come on. Okay. Oh, gee, come on. What the heck? Well, this is how it's, where it's saying to actually put it on. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I can't get that in. Okay, now let's see if I can get it to go in. Jeepers. Okay, there we go. Alright. That was a little bit tough just because stuff kept wanting to, oh, there we go. Okay, that one wasn't pushed in all the way. Okay. Well, at least now I know how far in they were supposed to go, I suppose. Alright, so there's that. Okay, now I need E2 and E3, which is right up here. We're now down here. So this looks like these are the chest plates right here. Alright. Bonk. Bonk. Yeah, I'll have to get that one later. Okay. And then C19 and C110, which is off the same board here. Okay, so 9 and 10. Okay, so these little thruster pieces here. Well, it's gonna have to be good enough for now. Okay, and then we just pop these into the chest cavity. And, okay, these are supposed to be sideways. Okay, so, is it this one? Yeah, okay, it's this one. Alright, so this just pops in here. It actually goes in quite a bit of a ways right there. And so then this one will go in here. Jeez, okay, we gotta use something blunt. Okay, there we go. Yeah, well, I guess I can't take care of it later if if it's going like that. Oh well. Okay, and then we just put these pieces right on front. Okay, so this one goes right here. Okay, like that. And then this one will go over here. There we go. Alright, and then we need F8, F11, and F12. And I think that said that. Okay, so was blue the F? No, blue is A. Which ones were F again? So sometimes it's a little hard to keep these on track. Okay, no, so those are C. Where's F? That's A. These two are D. That's also a D. Oh, wait a minute. Is this one F right here? This one off to my side? Yes, here we go. Okay, so. Alrighty. So, F8. F8, this triangular piece right here. Oh, sorry, not triangular piece. Oh, and once again, I was looking at it off camera. Okay. And